Hello everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of joining server on the application of DoorDash. You click on settings. In this page you can click on apps, default apps, app settings, and above you can search about DoorDash and you'll enter. So it's here. You click on DoorDash app. Then you can click on first stop and you can click OK. After that you'll enter to the window of storage. Here you can click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause you errors that can delete your account. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.